everyone, for today's video guys. So I just got home, just arrived from Tandag City. Oh my goodness. Take 4. So yun na nga, galing ko sa kagagaling ko lang sa Tandag City, no. Ayan, naghatid ako ng cake ng anak ko kasi birthday niya ngayon. Yun na nga, and I'm sleepy. So yun na nga, meron akong i-share sa inyo. Na-aksidente ako na natapilo na yung ko guys, yung legs ko. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking wait, sa nangyari sa akin. I got accident. So look at my toes. Yan. So yan. Because of my heels, I think. Yung bato kasi, naapakan ko yung bato while I'm walking in the street, and then the big stone, naapakan ko siya, and then I'm out of balance. So nagganon ako, and then my yeah, so that's the happening. So very hurts so painful ano ba yan? Whatever. So masakit siya, so yun na nga, ayun. So ito pala yung aking munting sari store. Thank you my subscriber to start this business, and then to my man, the only man in my life, to continue this, to support my business. And thank you so much, and you know already who you are, and thank you very much. And yeah, and I'm waiting so yeah. You're still in my heart. So ayan guys, so for today's vlog, so yeah, yun lang. I need to do vlog for daily life. I need to active my channel, because that's the only way to have a little income. It's a big help for my it's a big help for that's the big help, that I have to have income. So, and I hope for those new here to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, to hit the notification button bell, so that you can alerted if I have upload videos. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button bell. And also to support my channel, and if you want to support my channel guys, and I really appreciate it. And I have super chat and super thanks and membership. So that's a big help for me, for my revenue, and to gain my to reach my threshold $100 a month. So yeah, and that's all.